morning, beautiful people.
What's up, guys?
We are here bright and early. Linky wants to say good morning. Lincoln, are we at the doctor? We are. We're ready to get out. He's ready to go. So we are here to see another doctor for Lincoln this morning, and this doctor is a neurologist, but they specialize more in like the braces and Botox and that kind of thing, which we've done for Lincoln in the past. And he's outgrowing his braces. So
yeah, he's been sort of on the line for a while. He's just growing so fast, and we had a doctor like this back in San Antonio, but this guy's been on a waiting list for so long.
Yeah,
we set this appointment months ago. So
early spring. So we're excited to finally be here and able to get him in. I don't know if they're going to do Botox today, or if we're just going to talk about it and set another appointment, but it's going to be good to see like just their feedback and what needs to happen for these next steps for him. So we're excited. We're going to go in now. You ready to go in, Linky? Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, buddy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right.
Good appointment.
So good, guys.
I love this doctor. So this doctor actually trained with Dr. Steinberg, who did Lincoln's brain surgeries.
How freaking amazing is that guy?
So she was so knowledgeable, just absolutely brilliant, and she gave us several referrals for the school that we're getting Lincoln into, that all of his therapies can go through.
We haven't talked about that a lot, but we are switching him to a different school.
Have we not announced that?
We've never announced that. That's okay. So big announcement. But like literally the entire everybody we've ever talked to, including his new neurologist, is like, you need to take him to this school. This school's going to be the one. And like, we've been hearing this for months.
They're just phenomenal.
So
a special needs school that has amazing resources and just so incredibly good. The whole, I mean, they're known in the community as just being phenomenal.
And the therapists will all go to school with him and do all the therapies there, and they'll work hand in hand with his neurologists here to make sure, and that they can tweak all of his stuff as they're going along. And
everyone's going to be working closely together.
It's a team, you know?
I'm so thrilled.
So
I'm so extremely excited. And so
and Lincoln did really well too. Like they were down on the floor with him, playing with him, and just, I mean, it was just really
like
cool.
We walked in and you could sense he was getting a little bit uncomfortable again, because you guys know the past couple of times we've been at this hospital, he had his EEG, which was, we left in tears. If you guys saw that video, I was crying at the end of that video, because it's just hard to see your child struggling and unhappy, and he really struggled with that EEG. And then the time before that too was also really difficult. You could just tell he felt uncomfortable in that setting. And so I'm just so grateful that, he was starting to get a little bit uncomfortable, and then they were helping put him at ease and playing with him and just being
gave him some Bubble Guppies stickers and all kinds of cool stuff.
And just to have answers for these amazing resources, and knowing this next season for Lincoln with school and therapy and new braces, and we're talking about doing the Botox again. We're going to time that to start around the time that he's starting
his new
therapies in school and all that, and so it's all going to work together. And so I'm very very excited and thankful for that. And there is another therapy, guys, that we're not going to go into it right now until we know for sure if we're doing it or not. But there's another one that would maybe affect the timing of all of this, because it would be like an 8-week type.
It would upend their whole lives for 2 months. It would be.
But it would also,
it could be life-changing for
it could also be very extremely beneficial. And so we have an important phone call coming up, so we'll be able to share more about that. So either he's starting school in August, or it might be a little bit later, but all of these things, I'm just so grateful. It was such a good morning, good appointment. We're all hungry.
We both walked out giddy, but also needing coffee, because this is a pretty early appointment today, and it's kind of a longer one, but it was so great that it doesn't matter. So we're gonna go grab some coffee and some brunch and just have fun.
I'd love to find a patio somewhere and just sit outside and enjoy, and
we should go to Centennial Park, because it's only 81 degrees right now, and it's cloudy.
Okay.
We can go to Centennial Park. It's a beautiful place. There's like an Acropolis there or something like that. I can't remember what it's called. The Parthenon.
Very cool.
And you know, it's just rad.
So we're just gonna go enjoy a little bit before we head home. But
mommy daddy time with Lincoln.
Good morning. Somebody's running away.
I gotta be careful because my ring's actually like falling off all the time because my hand has gotten skinnier.
Oh my gosh.
So it just keeps almost like, it actually fell off like 3 times already.
We need to get it resized.
I know, right?
That's a good problem to have though.
That is a good problem, but it's still a problem.
Linky, are you hungry?
Good,
they just had drinks here, so we need to go get some food. Yeah.
I love this.
So pretty out here. Ooh, those are yummy, huh? Yeah.
You little toot.
What about mommy? You gonna share a bite with mommy?
Because it's too good, Mom.
I am feeding this to myself.
I'm the only one. He was yawning big for all those photos.
So now time for Lincoln now.
I should have somebody that could carry me and I could just like lay my... You want to carry me and I can lay my head
I'll carry
on your
both of
shoulder?
you. Let's go take a nap. We missed you guys.
I'll get you out. I'll get you out.
Hi. Hey guys. You have a good afternoon? Linky's so happy you guys are home. Say hey brother. We got a couple things at Target on the way home. Can you guys help us carry it in?
You got me diapers.
I got you some diapers, dude. Wow. You're so strong. Thank you. Sweet. Good helpers.
Good helpers.
Hi, Frankie. Hi. Say hi, sister. Working hard?
Working hard or hardly working?
Good one.
Alright guys, we are back home and I'm just hanging with the boys here. Amanda's getting ready to go to the chiropractor because we were trying to help her kind of get some tension removed from having so many long years of being in a bad bed. And now we're in a great bed. It's been amazing, but the chiropractor's really been helping her as well to kind of, you know, realign some of the stuff that needs to be fixed up. So she's been doing that and we're just gonna hang here. I'm probably gonna do some research. I need to find like a riding lawnmower for our new property, and so yeah, man, I'm gonna get one of those like zero-turn mowers.
We should get like a lawn mower that mows the lawn by itself.
That would be amazing. A Tesla lawnmower, a self-driving lawnmower. That would be incredible. So I think we're gonna do something. I need to do something that would go fast because it's 4 acres. That turns really easy because we've got the river right there, a lot of rocks, a lot of trees, stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna.
You know what else we get? We can just get a goat. They'll eat our grass.
Oh yeah.
You know, that is very true. Well, I have 3 goats right here.
Billy goats.
Yeah, but I don't eat grass.
You guys are the greatest of all time.
I eat pizza.
Eat sugar.
Y'all are the mountain goats, though. Y'all like to climb and go all over the place. So I think we're going to do that while Amanda goes to the chiropractor. You guys want to help me find a legit mower?
Yeah.
I think so. Anyway, guys, we love you guys. We can't wait to see you next time. And we will see you later. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Mom.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.